Hello, we're Team PURA, and this our app. We're going to show you be aware of our next of ITDOCU.
Justin Relativo.
Here, we're here to introduce our app. Be aware. So Justin will demo the app for us. Justin will.
Okay, first, this is our app. Upon opening the app, this is what the user will first see, the login screen, where they can enter the email or the password. Once they are logged in, they'll be taken here to the main display of the app, where they can see the modules of the app, like the calendar, news, community map, residents, feedback, board members, and the repairs. For the calendar, okay, the calendar should be loaded here. And then for the news, this is the community map.
So this is the list of.
This is the list of residents that are residing in the barangay. Here you can see their birth date and the exact address number. Then here I post the feedback due to the lack of internet. I mean, slow internet is very slow. Here you can post your feedback about what is wrong and what improvements needed in the community.
Next is we have the board members and committees feature where you can see basically the board members and their name and then their position. We'll showcase it here.
So here we have the repairs and cleaning requests. So you could fill out this form and you could send requests for services that repair and clean.
So that's all we have for this app. And aside from that, we have the menu that also contains the other modules. So that's it. Thank you.